Good morning, everyone. My name is Tanveer Abbas. Imagine you are a student from Pakistan or Nigeria stepping into the UK with big dreams but unsure where to start. Now, imagine having a trusted guide right beside you, someone who helps you find the right part-time job, the right internship, and eventually that career dream placement after graduation. That is exactly what Northbridge Recruitment Agency stands for. Our mission is simple yet powerful to empower international students, especially from Pakistan and Nigeria, by connecting them with the right opportunities all across the UK. We don't do this alone. Our key partners include UK universities, student societies, employers, and leading training organizations. Together, we create strong pathways for student success. Now, my teammate will throw the light and will show you the whole idea behind the Northbridge Recruitment Agency mission.
My name is Daniel and our business is Northbridge Recruitment Agency. At Northbridge Recruitment Agency, our goal is simple: to turn potential into opportunities. Our value proposition lies providing personalized career guidance, mentorship, and access to trusted employees who appreciate international talent. For students, we offer support at every stage, from building strong CVs to preparing for interviews and finding the work placement. For employees, we provide access to the skilled, diverse, and motivated graduates who brings global perspective to the workplace. And our customer segment includes Pakistani and Nigerian students studying in the UK and UK-based business seeking bright multicultural talent. By partnering with us, business can focus on growth while we handle complexities of hiring, ensuring the best fit for their team. Thank you.
Hi guys, my name is Julius Yakubu, a co-founder of Northbridge Recruitment Agency. I'll be discussing about the customer relationship and channel segments. We believe in building relationships that last, not just for transactions. For students, we provide one-on-one career support, mentorship programs, and follow-up guidance even after job placement. For employers, we maintain strong professional relationship, understanding their hiring needs and cultural fits. Our communication channels include university career fairs, student events, our official websites, job-seeking platforms, social media platforms like Facebook, TikTok, and the rest of them. And our main goal is to be able.
Hello, my name is Kamal Said. Northbridge Recruitment Agency operates through a range of essential activities that ensure a smooth and effective hiring process for both employers and job seekers. Their key activities include actively sourcing potential candidates, carefully screening and shortlisting applicants, and matching them to roles that best fit their skills and career goals. They also manage important parts of the recruitment process, such as arranging interviews, communicating feedback, and promoting job openings through different platforms to reach the right audience. These include a team of experienced recruitment consultants who bring industry knowledge and communication skills. Additionally, the agency benefits from a strong and trusted reputation that attracts both companies and job seekers. Northbridge also works closely with a variety of key partners, such as businesses that rely on their hiring services, online job boards that help advertise vacancies, and training or skill development organizations that prepare candidates for the job market.
My name is Tawqir Tariq and my topic is the revenue stream. Our revenue stream at the Northbridge Recruitment comes from several key areas. At first, we earn placement fees paid by the employers and the commission from the successful hires. We also offer premium student membership, which include career coaching, interview preparation, and advanced training to help students become more competitive in the UK job market. In addition to that, we generate income through sponsored workshops, webinars, and the strategic partnership with universities and the recruitment organization. This collaboration allow us to provide valuable development opportunities to our students while strengthening our professional network. In conclusion, Northbridge Recruitment isn't just about helping students find jobs, it's about building the future. Our mission is to guide international students, especially those from the countries like Pakistan and Nigeria, and support them in turning their UK education into the successful professional journey. Together, we are not just connecting people to the job Our financial ask is £1 million against 10% equity in our company. Thank you so much.